Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I have come to Kanorga School. As you can see that right now I am standing in front of a Kanorga School, and in front of me my honorable teacher Nasir sir. He is also teaching in this school, and I am also teaching in this school. So I will ask him some question about this school, how to improve this school. Sir, nice to meet you.
Thank you, Mr. Shafiq.
Sir, how to improve this school? Please tell me say something about this school.
I hope that it is very easy if guardians or teacher about this teaching
Regular coming.
and all social work as soon as it will be very development about teaching result and other things.
Thank you so much. Our honorable teacher gives me a lot of information. This information is very important for building this school. You know that is co-curricular activities is going on in front of the school. Most of the students are playing football in this school. They are once upon a time they are studying in this school, but in this moment they are studying in a high school or other institution. But you know that this is a small playground, but this playground is not suitable for the students of Kanorga School. But in terms of education sector or other sector, environment sector is totally nice in this school. But a few days ago, our school has been received model school. It has got reputation of model, and model it has the main school and greatest school in Madaripur districts in terms of education or other sector and co-curricular activities. You can see that sampling accessories in front of our school, and there is a big rain tree. There are three big 4 rain tree and mahogany or other trees in front of the playground. It has covered the branches of the tree has covered the total area of the field, and this is a palm tree. It palms is so much delicious. Before previous days we ate this palm in this tree, but the owner of this tree is Shajol. He's a peon in this school. Behind the school he lives their house behind the school, but this is a Idgah Minar. As you can see that during the Eid period or Idul Adha or Idul Fitr, most of the people in this area, they can perform Eid prayer or other funeral prayer perform in this field. So guys, there are many boys are standing behind the camera. Please behind the camera they are enjoying my video because they also saw the reading of Bangla, talking in Bangla, but they never see talking in English. But in this moment they are enjoying speaking English, so they are really proud about to watch my video. So thank you very much, sir. Please give for giving me most of the time in this moment. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.